Hello YouTube, I hope you are doing all well. So today I'm going to create this tutorial about the floating effect. Here you can see this is an icon which is floating and going down then coming back again, increasing and decreasing the size, even it's moving, I mean in 90 degree. So how did they do that? Let's see. I have taken an icon where on advanced tab. By the way, I'm using Elementor. I have used a ID, which name is ID. Then some CSS code I have inserted here to transform this. And you will have the CSS code in the video description. So please check that. So it's easy. Thank you.